Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Here you join me inside the interior of Margaret. And lots of progress has been made since the previous updates. And I'm going to show you around now. Right, so far what has been done? Well, we've got headlights, side lights all in. They're not wired up because the wings have got to come off again. We've got the pedal assembly back in with new master cylinders, fuse boxes with new fuses, washer bottle and the windscreen washers all work now, as I will demonstrate now. And the next thing that I have been doing is putting the refurbished chrome bumpers and brackets back on. And they are looking, well, very nice. And inside the boot, I've also put the boot badge on and the aerial's been fitted. Inside the boot, bit messy in here, but all been rust treated in the inner arches. Inside the boot, fuel filler's necks back on, new rear light lenses. Oh, let's close it. Also, the doors have been rust treated and the doors have been put back together and they look very nice. They also lock as well. Windows wind up and wind down. Next, carpet and sound deadening has been fitted. We used Killmat 2mm for this. With obviously, we don't want it too thick, we just want it thick enough to where it will do the job. All this carpet has been trimmed and stuck down. We've got side panels on, side footwell panels on, two missing because the wings have got to be unbolted. Dashboard has been wired in and properly mounted in so it's all secure. We've got the indicator stalk has been recently just put in by me today. So that all works. And they self-cancel as well, we've tested. All the gauges are looking very nice. But yeah, the interior has taken shape now. So, well happy with that. And the doors close lovely. They've got new door rubber all the way around there. And the windscreen to quarter light seal has been replaced either side, as I will show you on this side. Yeah, she's looking rather dashing, I'd say. Yeah, next on the list will probably be engine and gearbox refurbishment, some brake lines and fuel lines in, heater and a few other odd little bits, and we should have an engine in her soon. So I will catch you in another video. Thanks for watching guys, bye.